Very warm welcome to our first episode behind the scenes at aryve. Today with me is Sebastian. He is our head of the CMS, so we call it Studio. Hi, Sebastian.
Hello, Carsten. How are you?
I'm good, good. What about you? So let's talk about today a bit. So first, what are you doing at our company?
Sure. So my responsibility is aryve Studio, basically the content management system of the whole aryve system. I'm responsible for it. In the aryve Studio, you can manage your content. You can manage your waypoint, so the paths that you see when you're are guiding through aryve guide. I mean, I can jump right in. I can share my.
Let's talk today about actually we need the studio to set all our waypoints, walkable paths, non-walkable areas, and this is literally the backbone of our operation. And what we can see here, this is a new feature. It's called the Gaussian Splat. Sebastian, what is it?
Correct. So before this feature, we had a point cloud, so just points around this. In point cloud, you can also recognize the stuff. It's not too bad, but of course, with Gaussian splatting here, you have the photorealistic view. You can fly around. This is the example. This is the Paderborn Airport, and yeah, it's much better for orientation, in my opinion. And yeah, with this Gaussian splatting, you have a photorealistic view of the point cloud.
Yeah, and it gives all our clients a better view about the environment and where they can walk, where you not can walk. It's not super photorealistic, but it's a good way to that. And compare for what we had before, a simple point cloud. This is a huge improvement. So great job on this one. So let's talk about today about waypoints and adjusting ways and guide people.
Sure. So here you have all of the icons here. These are waypoints and the lines. These are the possibility passes that you can follow when you have a right guide. We also have a 2D waypoint view of this. So here you see the same thing in 2D. It's also shown on the left bottom here in the minimap. This is used then for aryve guide to find the right way. We also have a test feature that you can. So when you are here, you can select, for example, travel agencies. And you can, this is an POI that we have on the first floor. And when we navigate to it, you should see now with a green line the path to this destination, which is the travel agency. It will guide you through the stairs here. You need to change the floor here. Now you're on the next floor, and then you find the way. And here we have this POI for travel agencies, because here you see our travel agencies in the airport.
Yeah. Nice, very straightforward. So you can see multiple floors and transition between one floor and another, and we can simulate this ways before we send it to our application, the mobile guide, and see how this would work. But what about people with handicaps? So maybe you need a wheelchair or have heavy luggage or a stroller with you. How we can make this happen? Because they obviously cannot walk the stairs.
Sure. So you have seen here the waypoint view. This is basically for each floor level. For each floor, we have our own map, a 2D floor map. And we have special waypoints called portals, which are connecting these maps together. We now use the portal type stairs, which we have here. Here you have the stairs, and you can, when you are making this test navigation, or when you navigate, you can also say that you don't want to use stairs, you just want to use elevators, for example. Here we have an elevator. It's an old portal. It's on the floor land side, and it is connected to the land side 1. On the land side 1, we have also a portal. It should be here.
The second
Elevator
floor
1.
then, yes, understand.
It's the second floor. And this is also connected, so it can go both ways. We can also test this now, this video view, for example. And here we have the route to the travel agency. The start is the same. We're going in, but now we don't go up the stairs, but we have to turn right and go here to the elevator, change the floor here. Now we're in the second floor again. And we have now the path from the elevator here again to our travel agency.
Yeah, pretty nice. Lots of cool features. So you can use it for accessibility, handicapped people, also robots. Obviously, they cannot go stairs. They should take the elevator. Really cool. So yeah, love to see more about our CMS and also the features we have added over the last months. Sebastian, thank you very much for your time, and let's jump into call next week.
All right. Thank you, Carsten. Bye bye.